Alright, today we're looking at the Husqvarna YTH 2242, and I'm going to show you how to remove the deck and install the deck. First thing we're going to do is come over here and we're going to lower the deck all the way down. And now we get to get on our knees. Alright, one of the first things that we can do is reach up here to the front, pull that pin off, pull that out. I usually put these clips right up here on the foot pad. And then this cable right here is, I know this isn't normally the way the factory attached it, but this whole cover is gone. So we need to get that off of there. So I'll make sure that cable is loose. And then let's go back here. We got a couple of pins here. I have to lift the deck a little bit. Okay. And then up here, we got to pull this pin out too. Let me get two hands on that. Let me get the pliers on that. Alright, a little bit of tension. Let's get the tension off by pressing this in. There it is. And let's go to the other side. Alright, here we can pull this one off. Again, raise the deck up. There you go. And we've got this one up here. And the last thing we have to do is get the belt off the front pulley. And we just raise it up. Alright, let's pull it out. And now we raise this back up to the higher position. And we can put a little deck out, but we still have that cable there. So keep in mind this cable here. And now we can remove this cable by pinching. And let me get two hands on that. Alright, so let's try to get tension off the cable a little bit. We pinch this tab, pull it out here, and then we can get that spring off of there. There we go. Pull that out of there. And now the deck is completely free to slide out. There we go. Now we'll clean it up and I'll show you how to put it back. Alright, let's show you how to put the deck back on. And you want to make sure that this is in the full upright position. This is the cable. Make sure that's kind of tucked out of the way. And then from the other side, we'll rotate the deck there and then slide it under the tractor. Now I kind of did that half-baked because I realized I have to have it sticking out on this side to reconnect that cable. Alright, so pull it out so you can access this hole here, and there's a bracket down here where the cable connects. I'll give you a closer view. So right here, this bracket is where the end of this cable slides into that bracket. And then the spring end is going to get hooked into this hole right here. So that hole for the spring and that bracket for the plastic part of the cable. What we need to do is make sure to feed the cable under the belt and this rod. Hook up the spring through that hole, and then pull the cable and make sure this plastic slips into the bracket. And there we go. So now we slide the deck back underneath. Make sure the belts are all on the pulleys. This particular cable, we're missing a plastic part right here on this deck, like I said before. So we're going to use this cable tie to put it over this belt keeper. That keeps the cable away from the spinning parts. And then let's get up underneath and show you what's going on. Alright, so with the deck roughly in position, we can reach up here and put the belt around the pulley. And there's a couple of belt keepers in there. Make sure to get those up in place. And then now if we look back here, we can lower, well, this piece here is going to go up on that metal tab. We can line that up and put one of these pins in there. Okay. And I forgot to mention that we want to lower the arm down for the, there we go, and then this is going to go there. You might have to lift it up just a little bit. Oh, and get your fingers on it. Alright, this one I think had a washer. And then another pin. And let's go around the other side and do the other side. Alright, now on the other side, lift this bracket up. Put on that pin. There you go. And then Alright, now next thing, we got this thing here. Now, if you have this turned the wrong way, it just won't sit right on that pin. So if you turn it this way, now you got plenty of room. Get the pin in place. Alright, now we got to focus on the front bracket. This bracket goes through this hole and then into the, and we'll get the pin and the washer that goes on the front down there. And we got a washer here and a pin, and there we are. We've got the whole thing connected. We'll just raise and lower it a couple times to make sure that everything comes up and down the way it's supposed to. There you are. The deck is now reinstalled on the Husqvarna. I'll take a look at the model number here. This Husqvarna is the star of a lot of my videos. Alright, thanks for watching.